What is going on, everybody? Welcome on into the Faithful Studio. I am Tyson, and today is the end of the week, and that means I get to bring to you another video, another review, which is one of my favorite things to do in the week. So we get to dig in, and a couple weeks ago, a company reached out to me by the name of Fetti Says. I was just like, I've seen this. I've seen somebody do this, but it didn't really ring a bell. Asked me if I would be interested in doing a review. I said absolutely. He sent me out some stuff. So disclaimer at the beginning, I got this stuff sent to me for free for the purpose of a review. I did not buy it, and there was no money exchanged in this, and it just gets into be my opinion on this product after testing it out. So let's dig into that right after this. Alright, so if you're new here, please consider giving a thumbs up, a subscription. If you're a longtime watcher, viewer, subscriber, thank you very much. I appreciate you. And I don't know if you guys have ever heard of Fetti Says as the beard company. They're around on Instagram, a couple reviews been out there, but for me, I haven't really heard much about it. I was interested when I read some of the carrier blends online, and so he sent some out and I tested it out. And the first thing that I kind of noticed when I got this was, we got a couple different things going on here. Number one, we got some pretty big bottles. These are 2-ounce bottles, by the way. We got a couple different looks and feels going on, so it kind of struck me a little bit. We got butter containers that are a little bit different. That kind of got me a little bit. But I was like, you know what? Let's try this out. So the first thing I open up was this Gentleman's Essence. It's called Gentleman's Essence. And I kind of smell it. I'm like, yeah, smells pretty good. No, I can't really pinpoint it. It's not very strong. Okay, you know? So then I get this one, I grab it, I'm like, whoa, what is... This oil looks a little... Oh, there's something floating in it. Oh my gosh, there's some floaties. And I was like, that's gold. There's gold floating in there. And so I was like, I've only seen that one other time before. This is the second time I've seen that. And I don't know if you guys can see that up here on camera. I'll try to get some B-roll of that and show you that. But so then I smelled this one. I'm like, oh my gosh, that smells delicious. And I couldn't pinpoint kind of what it was, but it smelled delicious. So then naturally you open the butters and you look at those and you mess them around. You do all the bearded stuff that you do. But day one came around and I was like, well, which one do I wear? Which one do I wear? And I ended up going with Gentleman's Essence. And when I look at Gentleman's Essence and I talk about the carrier blend here, you're looking at broccoli seed oil, ostrich oil, jojoba oil, emu oil, meadow foam seed oil, and vitamin E oil. All good oils for your skin and beard. I've had different experiences with all of them, but how about you mix some of them together and you come up and it's like, let's try it out. So I put it in my beard the first day, and then the thing that I noticed is when I was blow drying my beard and styling it, that my beard really styled easy and nice, and it seemed like full and poofy. You know, not like poofy, not uncontrollable, but it had more volume to it. And I thought that was kind of cool. And then I noticed as the day went on that this really stuck around all day long, and I thought that was awesome. So then day two rolls around, and I was like, well, I got to try the Gold Flake one. And so I put that in, and on the Gold Flake, which I believe it's called Black Rose is the name of this oil. You're talking hemp seed oil, jojoba oil, coconut oil, rosehip oil, sunflower oil, and essential oils. And so different carrier blend. And so I asked him, I was like, why different carrier blends? And he said he's going for different feels at different times. So I was like, okay, that makes sense, you know. Makes sense to me. Cool. Find the carrier blend you like and use it. So I did this, and a little bit different of a feel, but still really good. But I like the scent. And so what I noticed is the Gentleman's Essence scent is a light cologne aroma. Cologne. There's a little bit of earth in it, and I couldn't really pick out what it is, but more cologne than anything. But it's real light. Like, you have to get up on it and smell it. It wears off fairly quick to your own nose. And it's not like strong when you're putting it on your hands and in your beard. It's a very light, subtle scent. Now, the black rose, that one just kept standing out to me. And I'm like, what is this? This is something I've smelled before. And it reminded me of another product that you can't get anymore that I really, really, really liked. And I went online and I looked at the website to see what he called it, to see what he said about it. And he said champagne and cinnamon. And I'm like, okay, well, I don't necessarily get any cinnamon. There's like no spice to it at all. It's a very sweet, nice, fun, and I get the champagne. I get kind of the bubblegummy, frostingy type vibe to it, but it's such amazing in the beard, and it lasts throughout the day. You can get these nice whiffs, and it just goes on so nice. So realistically, at the end of the day, if I could get the carrier blend for Gentleman's Essence, but with the scent profile of Black Rose, like that's, to me, that's like almost like the perfect combination for him here. And you talk about gold flakes and you're gonna have gold glitter in your beard. No, it melts down, it breaks down, it mixes in, it goes in your beard. Gold is beneficial. 24 karat gold is what it is. 24 karat gold, and that's beneficial for the skin underneath the beard. There's science and research behind that the gold is beneficial for the skin. Now, whether or not how much is, I don't know. I didn't do all that research. I'm just telling you that this feels good, and if there's gold in it, and gold has properties that can make your skin benefit your skin, hey, why not, right? Okay, so like now we got some butters, right? We got butters, and the butters here, come in a twist top tin. Not much you can say about that. You got some ingredients here. So this is the Black Rose, okay? So this is the one that has the gold flakes in it, the champagne scenting one. And you got cocoa butter, shea butter, hemp seed oil, jojoba oil, coconut oil, rosehip oil, sunflower oil, and essential oils. So you really added basically cocoa butter and shea butter to make the butter. And it's super smooth. Breaks down quick, super smooth. Love it. And then you have Gentleman's Essence, all right? So here, shea butter, mango butter, broccoli seed oil, ostrich oil, emu oil, jojoba oil, meadow foam seed, and vitamin E oil. So you got the carry blends, but then this one adds shea butter and mango butter. And this one adds kokum butter and shea butter. Okay, so one's got mango, one's got kokum. It's the difference between them here. And again on this one, my little thing fell out. Super smooth. They're dense. They feel sort of tacky-ish when you're putting them around in your hand and rubbing them around. They feel like they're dense. They just feel moisturizing and super moisturizing and dense would be kind of how I say it. You put them in, you style your beard, feels really good, keeps it nice and soft and moisturized. That's what I look for in a butter. It doesn't add a lot of weight to my beard, but it leaves it nice and moisturized and styling well. And again, can wear that at night, not have a whole bunch of things. But what I really noticed is with these products from Fetti Says is I like both scents, one stronger than the other, two different carrier blends, but my beard stayed, you sleep at night and sometimes you wake up and your beard's like all over and it's like, this kept my beard in shape better than most products I've ever tried. And I was just blown away. I was like, well, what is it in here that's keeping my beard shaped and styled just more regular, natural all the time, even after I wake up in the morning? So I thought that was kind of interesting. Now, when you talk about pricing, you notice that these are in a 2 ounce, right? So 2 ounce for the Gentleman's Essence, $25. And a 2 ounce for the Black Rose is $28. So you got some gold in there. It's a little bit different. He also has a 4 ounce for $46. My gosh. But people look at 2 ounces and they're like, oh, $28 for a bottle of beer. That's $14 for a 1 ounce bottle. You break that in half, $14 or $12.50 for the one that's $25. So that's a really good price. A really good price. And then you got a 3 ounce butter here. 3 ounce butter, $27. Still think that's a good price. And then you got the butter here on the Black Rose too. So all in all, I think the pricing is right on point. There's another one that he has. It's like cherry and oud. And I saw it on the website. I'm like, dude, I am going back to get that. I got to get that. Oh, my gosh. So I got to go back and get that one because actually these products are going to be something that I continue to use on a regular basis because I was really impressed with them. Excited to see what else he would do because the way they feel and some of the scents he's coming up with are very creative to me. They're not normal scents that you smell all over the place. Like I said, I have a similarity to this one, but they don't even make the scent anymore. So, and I really like it. It's always been one where I need that scent. I really like that scent. So these are things where I'm going to go back and purchase more from him. I want to try that cherry and oud, and the price is good. The feel is good. I think probably an up-and-coming company. I think Mo has done a review on him, so go check out Mo's review too and see what he has to say. But that's about all I got. Let me know what you guys think. I do have a code. I believe it's Faith10. I will put it down in the description with a link to the website. If I'm wrong, I'm sorry. It's written down somewhere. Do you want me to pause right now and go look? I didn't think so. So just scroll down, look in the description, it's right there. So if you think this video is good, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't. Hit me up, let me know what you think right down in the comments below, which of these 2 cents would be the best for you, or what you think about Fetti and what you've heard about him, and are you interested? Are you interested? And go ahead and go save yourself a little bit of money and try him out if you're interested in doing that. Nothing in it for me other than I'm glad he reached out. Like, thank you, because I got these products. I got to make a video for you guys, hopefully share them on to you guys, because these are an uncovered beard products in my mind. In my mind, these are like uncovered gems. Like, nobody's really talking about them, but they work really good for me. So I'm pumped. I'm going to hoard these in here. No, you can't have them. They're mine. They're mine. These are mine. So until I talk to you guys again soon, thank you so much for stopping by and enjoying this and checking it out with me and letting me talk to you guys for a little bit. And until I talk to you guys again soon, I hope you have a fantastic weekend. And I love each and every one of you. Be bearded, be you, and God bless.